Welcome to Radio English. Today's story is about the quiet power of a morning walk. A few months ago, I felt completely stuck. Every day looked almost the same. I woke up, immediately checked my phone, read messages and looked at the news. Then I rushed to get ready, ate breakfast quickly and hurried out the door. In the evening, I came home tired. My mind was always full of thoughts, but I never felt clear or peaceful. One ordinary morning, I decided to try something very small. I left my phone on the table. I put on my shoes and went outside for a short walk. I told myself just 20 minutes around the neighborhood. No music, no podcast, no messages. At first it felt strange and a little uncomfortable. I was so used to looking at a screen. Now there was only the sound of my own footsteps. The air was cool. The sky was soft pink with a little orange light. I looked up and noticed how quiet everything felt. After a few minutes, I saw a small bird sitting on a tree branch. It was singing. I stopped walking for a moment and just listened. An old woman was watering the plants in front of her house. When she saw me, she smiled gently. I smiled back. We didn't speak, but that small moment felt warm. I continued walking slowly. I paid attention to simple things, the sound of leaves moving in the wind, the smell of fresh bread from a small bakery, a bicycle passing quietly behind me. My shoulders started to drop. The noisy thoughts in my head became softer and quieter. When I returned home, I sat down for a minute. I felt different. Not extremely happy, but calmer and lighter. My mind felt clearer than it had been for a long time. From that day, I started walking every morning. Some days the sun was bright. Some days there was light rain. I never took my phone with me. I just walked and noticed the small details of the world around me. Slowly, this short morning walk became the most important part of my day. It didn't solve all my problems, it didn't make life perfect, but it gave me a quiet space to breathe and to reset my mind before the busy day began. I learned something simple but valuable. We don't always need big changes to feel better. Sometimes a short walk without any distractions is enough to bring a little peace back into our lives. If you often feel tired or stuck, try this. Leave your phone at home. Walk for 10 or 15 minutes. Look around. Listen. You might be surprised by how much clearer and lighter you feel afterward. That is the end of today's story.